Find the slopes of the lines which make an angle of 45 degrees with this line here. Just the slopes. Alright. So what we have is two lines and they make an angle of 45 degrees with each other. So we take our formula, tan theta equals plus or minus m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. I'm going to get the slope of this line, and that one can be my m1. There. So get y on its own, and we get 2x plus 1 equals 3y. Therefore, y on its own is 2 over 3x plus 1/3. Our slope is 2 over 3, so m1 equals 2 over 3. We know the angle is 45, so that's no bother. So tan 45, we all know is what, guys? Tan 45 is 1. So tan 45 equals 1 plus or minus 2/3 minus m all over 1 plus 2/3 times m. I'll get a common denominator before I do anything else. So I'm just going to keep it as 1 plus or minus, 1 equals plus or minus. Now, 2/3 minus m, guys, what do we think? Put 3 top and bottom, so what do you think the answer would be? 2 minus 3m over 3. Okay, and then on the bottom, what do we have here? What do you reckon? 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3, m, which would be what? 3 plus 2m all over. Turn it upside down, change the sign. 3 over 3 plus 2m. What cancels? What am I left with? 2 minus 3m over 3 plus 2m. Alright, what do I do now, lads? What should I do to get rid of that plus or minus? Square both sides. So, I'm going to end up squaring, I'm going to square 2 minus 3m squared. And then I'm going to do 2 minus 3m by 2 minus 3m. I'm also going to do 3 plus 2m by 3 plus 2m. So let's see what happens. We get 1 equals 4 minus 12m plus 9m squared, all divided by 9 plus 12m plus 4m squared. Cross multiply. What happens when we cross multiply, lads? We're going to get 9 plus 12m plus 4m squared equals 4 minus 12m plus 9m squared. I'm going to bring everything over to the 9m squared, so it's going to be 0 equals 5m squared minus 24m minus 5. Go with that. Then I'm just going to put the 0 over the other side instead. So I can put that 0 anywhere I want. Okay. Common factors, 5m, and then that's m. U can be minus 5, and u can be plus 1. What do we get then? M equals 5, and m equals minus 1. We have 2 got it out. Question 7. Okay, now see. And the lads who aren't here, good job. Now, let's move on. 9. Okay. This question's very similar. So, we have a point which is actually wait, that's not a point of intersection though. So there's a point minus 1, 1. Okay. And what happens is it makes a 45-degree angle with this yellow line here, and this yellow line is that one there. Do you get it? Now, the deal is though, there's more than one line. If I drew it like this as well, it also makes a 45-degree angle there, doesn't it? So there's actually two different slopes for which this could occur. So that's what we're getting at. That's what the diagram tells you. Okay. Now, that I've explained that part. All right, let's do what we always do. Get our formula out. So tan theta, which is going to be tan 45, equals m1 take away m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. Get y on its own. Y equals minus 2x plus 2. This implies that m1 equals minus 2. Minus 2 minus m over 1. What's it? Plus minus 2 times m. 1 plus or minus. So it's going to be 1 equals plus or minus minus 2 minus m over 1 plus, sorry, 1 minus 2m. Alright, we're good so far? Square both sides. You're going to get 1 equals I'm multiplying minus 2, oh dear. I'm multiplying minus 2 minus m by minus 2 minus m. And then on the bottom I'm doing 1 minus 2m by 1 minus 2m. Right, let's do this. 4 plus 4m plus m squared all over 1 minus 4m plus 4m to be squared. Cross multiply, we get 1 minus 4m plus 4m squared equals 4 plus 4m m squared. All on to one side, we're going to get 3m squared minus 8m minus 3. That's easy enough. It's 3m plus 1 m minus 3 equals 0. I believe we're going to get m equals 3 or m equals minus 1/3. I don't get full marks. Why not? Reread the question. Equations of two lines, alright? So minus 1, 1. That's your x1, y1. And now we got to do our equation of a line formula. So y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. Y minus 1 equals 3 into x plus 1. Y minus 1 equals 3x plus 3. Minus 3x plus y minus 4 equals 0. What's the other version of that answer? 3x minus y plus 4 equals 0. Next time we're going to do a third this time, so it's going to be y minus 1 equals minus third times x plus 1. 3y minus 3 equals minus 1x minus 1. X plus 3y minus 2 equals 0. Alright, who got them out? Alright, done.